Enjoy breathtaking river and canal views from this beautifully updated 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo perched on the 8th floor of River Towers in southeast Cape Coral. This light-filled unit offers a bright and open floor plan with southwest-facing views of the Caloosahatchee River and surrounding canals, perfect for enjoying both stunning sunrises and sunsets from your private lanai, living room, or primary bedroom. The updated kitchen features granite countertops, a decorative tile backsplash, and stainless steel appliances. Both bathrooms have been tastefully renovated with newer vanities, granite counters, and modernized showers. Additional features include tile in the wet areas, carpet in living spaces, upgraded doors, hurricane impact windows and sliders, new 2018, and the convenience of in-unit laundry. A brand new air conditioner, March 2024, adds peace of mind and added value. This condo can be offered fully furnished and turnkey, making it easy to move right in and start enjoying the Florida lifestyle immediately. River Towers is an active 55-plus community offering a newly updated heated riverfront pool, shuffleboard, a tiki area ideal for watching dolphins and manatees, a new community barbecue area, 2 community rooms, a library, and more. Each unit comes with an assigned parking space, a private 10 by 10 storage unit, and access to a community laundry facility for larger loads. Boat up to the new boardwalk and fish the afternoon away on the new pier. Located just a short walk to the soon-to-be enhanced JC Park and a quick bike ride to downtown Cape Coral, this condo offers the perfect combination of location, comfort, and lifestyle.